Navigating through the week. Understanding, tail end of the week. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations. Tail end of the week. This phrase is a colorful way to talk about time, specifically a part of the week. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important for English language learners to understand these types of expressions. The phrase, tail end of the week, refers to the last part of the week. Typically, this means Thursday, Friday, and sometimes Saturday, depending on the context and the speaker's perspective. Imagine the week as a creature with a head and a tail. If the head represents the beginning of the week, Sunday or Monday, then the tail would represent the end. It's a metaphorical way to describe time that captures the idea of nearing the week's conclusion. Now that we know what it means, let's see it in action. Using phrases like tail end of the week can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few examples. I'm looking forward to the tail end of the week. I've got plans to relax and unwind. We're expecting the project to be completed by the tail end of the week. The tail end of the week is usually when I do my grocery shopping. Notice how the phrase can be used in different contexts, from personal plans to work-related timelines. Learning phrases like tail end of the week is crucial for English language learners because it helps in understanding native speakers and cultural nuances. Idiomatic expressions, or phrases whose meanings cannot be understood from their literal words, are a big part of fluent English communication. They add color, variety, and depth to your language skills. Understanding and using them can greatly improve your conversational English and make you sound more like a native speaker. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning behind tail end of the week. We hope this video has shed some light on how versatile and colorful the English language can be. Remember, getting comfortable with idiomatic expressions like this one is a step towards fluency and confidence in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use tail end of the week in your conversations. See you in the next video.